Hey, y'all. Wacky weatherman. How are you? I'm like, well, this is November 1st. It's been a while, but we're here. So we're going to take you to the dollar store with us, and then when we get back, we'll go out back and we'll go outside and we'll take a look out back and just see what things look like. We're going to actually get to see a nice view of the sunset. It should be about 7:30. But look at the leaves. Ain't that pretty? Yeah. Check those leaves out right over there. That's pretty, isn't it?
You want to set that by that sign? That's about as close as I can get you.
Yeah.
There's a car parked out.
Oh, nobody's in it.
No, they're putting something down, I guess. Or looking. I don't know.
All right. All right. So where you gonna be setting it? Right there?
Yeah, right over there, I guess.
Frankie Mart in Greenville. You can visit them on the web at frankiemart.com, located at 250 East Maple Street in Greenville. Also, don't forget, Frank has cars
straight ahead.
20-foot and 40-foot containers ready right now.
Over towards that side.
Your price before they're gone. 573-429-5359. Again, that's 573-429-5359. That's Frankie Mart in Greenville. Visit them on the web at frankiemart.com.
When it comes time for a roof repair or maybe a new roof put onto your home or business, you want to get somebody that you know is going to do the job. They're going to do.
All right, y'all. Let me
I want to back up a little.
Well, make sure you don't back up too far. Hit that person. Okay.
That old boy, he is just as
All right, yo's. Yeah, it's real pretty over there. It is. It's pretty over there. A nice window. Yeah, there's you go. There's your nice sunset. Y'all be able to make it out good. And there's some more trees. Oh yeah, look at those. They're about to lose their colors, huh?
Yeah. A lot of them are just brown.
Yeah, it's just brown, but it's still pretty to see all the to see that.
The car's coming from that way. I don't know how far the way, so.
Oh yeah, it was right there. And there goes another one. Zzz. Oh yeah, let's look over here. Oh yeah, baby. But like I said, we're gonna take y'all to the dollar store today. We're just gonna have fun. I don't got my man bra on, so excuse me if you see me, you know. Well, heck. And then they'll be able to see my man boobs. Oh Lord, that's funny. Y'all are crazy. You don't know how to act. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just fall is here, y'all, and like I said, we'll go in for a little while. Oh yeah. There you go. That'll help, won't it?
You have to look up like that so it doesn't blind me.
And there. And welcome to the dollar store, yos. Welcome to the dollar store, people. All right, so Wacky Weatherman, we're gonna get on up out here, and then, like I said, we'll go outside. We'll take a look around, and we'll talk about the weather. It's supposed to get some rain. Maybe get some interesting stuff this week. They say it's Saturday, but the weather can change in an instant. What we got here?
She's pulling out. I had to wait for her.
Oh, well. It's our turn. There we are. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get back out of the holler store. We're going to go in there and holler. So, November 1st, 2022, Wacky Weatherman.
Just the other day, it seemed like school's back in session. Now, next thing you know, it's almost Veterans Day, just like that in November, right?
All right, y'all. We're going to take you through the car wash again. Finish line.
I think rifle season actually opens up a week from this weekend, as a matter of fact. Anyway, also, just a quick reminder,
hold on.
clocks go back an hour this Sunday morning at 2 a.m. So before you go to bed Saturday night, don't forget to set your clocks back 1 hour.
Are you in neutral?
Yeah.
All right, y'all, here we go. We're going to check you through the finish line of the car wash. Everybody likes this. There you go. Oh, they got you.
I bet you somebody did that on purpose. Maybe they didn't have the premium tag.
Maybe. Hey, David, my man Slowly, they're LED lights up here. And so that's what they are. They just glow and they shine and do the water thing. So that's what they look like up there. For those of y'all that are interested. That's all they are. They're just lights. They flicker. They do the groovy thing. Gives you the water. So, and then you get the green. Then you get the green LEDs. So the different color LEDs gives you different things. And here comes the big brush. Now you're getting into the yellow LEDs. And they control your thing. They take you down the conveyor belt itself. So you're in neutral. Oh, here we go. We're going into the dark. And here comes another big brush. What? Don't know. It's probably going to cost a lot of money to get that fixed. Okay, now you're getting the juice. And that's the blue LEDs that do that. So I just wanted to point that out to y'all. Okay, so there's more blue LEDs as y'all can see.
That's the wax.
Yeah, that's the wax. That's the groovy stuff. Now you're getting ready to come into the red LEDs. And it's going to dry it. And see the big old, see the red LEDs up there?
They should find out who did that charger for that.
Yeah, they should. Is it still laying over there?
Yeah.
I wonder what that sounds like if you, I don't think I want to, it's probably hurt your ears.
Yeah.
Now we're in the dryers. That's a shame.
Yeah.
That's a shame about that brush. And then when you get done, they'll just shut that off. Right here, you'd be getting the brush. You know?
Yeah.
So, So I wanted to let y'all see that. And
Go for it.
all right. All right, y'all, there you go. So you got to see the finish line car wash. I wanted to show you all the LEDs that it displays. All right, so there's another finish line car wash for y'all. Go get your car wash today. For your car to look fine, go finish line. All right, y'all. Maybe they'll sponsor me one of these days. All right.